Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the AI product description. To create an AI-generated description, you will need to enable the setting for your account. To do this, go to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and go to Settings, then Account Details. Then select Settings. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the Setting AI Product Description and turn it on. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Update. Once this has updated, go to the menu and click Products, then All Products. Then go to any product and click Action, then Edit. Once you are on the product info page, go to Description. There will be a button called Generate AI Description. Just click on this, and a description will be generated. You can select to apply this to your short description, long description, or both. Also, if you don't like the description that has been generated, you can just skip the description that has been generated. Or if you do like the description, just click Use AI Product Description. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.